Hey guys, welcome to PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we're gonna see how to speed up your WordPress website. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So firstly, after this video you'll be able to increase your site speed by 2 times, and when a visitor visits your page, your site loads quickly and all pages loads faster. And if you have a slow site, visitors might leave your page or else you might lose your revenue. So having a faster website will increase the chances for getting ranked on Google, and also it will help you get more traffic. So in this video we're gonna see different ways in which you're gonna increase speed of your website. So to speed up our site, firstly we need to check the speed of our site so that we can compare them after doing different methods. So firstly, when you copy and paste your URL of your site here and click on test speed, you can find this results. That is, your load time is 3 seconds. So what is load time? Load time indicates how long it takes for you and for your website to load completely. So now let's see our first way to increase the speed of our site. So the first way is to reduce the size of images on your website. So if someone visits your site, the site will take time to load all images and display them. So in order to make our site load faster, we need to reduce the size of images. So and the page size will also decrease by this. So the page size is the size of the page on our website. So if the image size decreases, the page size will eventually reduce. So it makes the site to load faster. So firstly, let's see how to reduce the size of image. So once you go to your page, and here if you just right click on this image and here click on inspect, and here you can find this. So once you go here you can find the size of the image. So then in order to reduce the size of the image, firstly we need to go to this WordPress dashboard and click on plugins and click on add new plugin and search for a plugin called as WP Optimize, and here you get this WP Optimize plugin. So in order to install this WP Optimize, click on install now, and then once it gets installed, click on activate. So this plugin will help us to reduce the size of images on our website. And then here you get a new item called as WP Optimize. Click on WP Optimize, and here you just need to go to this compress images, and then here you find that you have all the images on your site here. So just click on prioritize maximum compression here in the compression options and select all the images, and then click on compress the selected images. So once you do this, now we'll go back and we'll check the image size. So again click on inspect, and here you can find that the image size has been reduced. Then now so let's recheck our load time and page size again. So now when you make a test speed, and now we can see that the load time has been decreased, that is from 3 seconds to 1.8 seconds. So now we'll see our next method to increase the speed of our site. So the next method is to enable the cache on your site. So, and one more thing is, if you automatically want to compress the newly added images, you can just enable this option in order to automatically compress newly added images. And now our second method to increase the speed of our site is to enable cache on your site. So in order to enable cache, you just need to go to this cache here. So click on this cache, and here just enable this page caching. So let's understand what does this enabling makes to our site. So whenever a visitor opens your site, it takes time for the hosting provider to bring the data on your site to your visitor. So this will take more time to load. So once you enable this cache, the copy of the website is saved to the WordPress website, and then when the customer visits the copy of the data will be sent to the visitor, and the site will load faster. And now let's in order to do this, we just need to go to this dashboard and go to this cache, and we just need to enable this. That's it. And then now let's again check the speed, and now we can see that the load time has been even more reduced to 1.5 seconds and page size is 2 MB. And now this is reduced comparatively, that is it is 1.8 seconds before, and now it's 1.5 seconds, and the page size is 2.3 MB, and now it is 2 MB. So now let's go to the third method to increase the speed of your website. That is, we need to use a good hosting for our website. So the hosting company of your site plays an important role in speed of your site. So let's see, what is a hosting server? So a hosting server is a place where all the data of your site will be stored. When someone opens, all the data from the server is given to the visitor. So we just need to choose the high performance server in order to load our site faster. So it is important to choose a good hosting service provider which will load good for your site faster. So then we'll see the fourth method, that is to use CDN. What is CDN? CDN is a content delivery network. So it is a group of servers which is available anywhere around the world. So it's something just like hosting server only. So CDN can be used to store your website data. So let's say if your visitor is far away from you, and the server would take more time to load because the server is not present in the visitor's place, it is somewhere far from the visitor, so it would take more time. So instead of you connect your site with instead you can connect your site with CDN, which is available across the world. So your website will be stored in the CDN servers, and when the visitor opens the site, the data will be taken from the nearest CDN. So we can add our site to CDN by 3 steps. So our first step is to create an account on Cloudflare. So in order to do this, we go to cloudflare.com and click on sign up, and you just need to give your email ID and password, or if you click on create account. And now once you're done, click on add site and give your website's URL here. So just go to your website, copy this URL and paste it here. So once you're done, click on add site, and then here you have different plans like Pro, Business and Enterprise. So let's select this free option and then click on continue. And then once you select your plan, here you can find this DNS records. So then just click on continue, and here you find this Cloudflare's name servers. So in order to connect this with our site, firstly we go back to our site hosting service provider. So go to your hosting service provider and enter your details and log in there, and click on DNS, and then go to the name servers and click on change. So here copy this Cloudflare's name servers and paste it over there. So you just need to click on enter my own name servers on your hosting service provider's DNS management. So just copy them and paste it here, your both server details. So you just copy and paste it here, and then click on add name server. So then once you are done, click on done check name servers, and then click on get started. So once you are done, you can see this kind of settings that are need to be confirmed. So click on save, and then you prefer to use this HTTPS, so click it, enable this, and then click on save, and then click save, again save, and click on finish. And now click on check name servers and refresh your site, and see that here you can find that now your Cloudflare is now protecting your site. And then you just need to confirm your email, that you get an email from the Cloudflare, and open it and just click on the link in order to verify your email address. So once you are done with verifying your email address, now we have successfully completed our second step also, that is connecting this site to our Cloudflare. So now let's go to the third step, that is to install Cloudflare account in your WordPress. So go to the plugins in the WordPress dashboard and go to add new plugin and click on add new plugin, and then search for a plugin called as Cloudflare, and then you just find this Cloudflare plugin, click on install now in order to install this plugin, and then click on activate. In order to install Cloudflare account in WordPress, firstly click on the settings and click here, and here you just need to enter the email address that you have provided while signing up with this Cloudflare. And then to get this global API key or API token, click here, and then it will take you to the Cloudflare account. Go to API tokens, and here in the global API key, click view, and then copy this and paste it here, and then save API credentials. And in this way now we have connected to CDN. And now let's check the speed. So the speed is the load time is 1 second only, so the load time has been reduced. So by this the site loads faster from anywhere around the world. So let's change this location and let's see. So let's keep it to USA. So then the load time is 1.3 seconds only, so the load time has been decreased in the far away places also. And now we have seen 4 different ways to speed up your website. And this is all for this video, guys. I hope you found this video useful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro. Thank you for watching.